Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is August 21st, 2024, and we're diving into some fascinating stories from the world of Apple and technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's start with a captivating reflection from Chet Kapoor, the CEO of DataStax, who shares his experiences working closely with Steve Jobs at Next. During his time there from 1989 to 1993, Kapoor, who humorously refers to himself as the coffee guy, absorbed invaluable lessons about innovation and leadership. He highlights Jobs' unique ability to push teams beyond their perceived limits, emphasizing the importance of focusing on what people need rather than what they want. This approach, Kapoor believes, is crucial for creating products that truly make an impact. Kapoor also recalls Jobs' relentless drive to change the world, urging others to consider the societal implications of their work. He warns against developing technology that merely serves as a solution in search of a problem, stressing the importance of clarity in purpose. Today, DataStax stands as a testament to these principles, valued at $1.6 billion with $305 million raised for its growth. Meanwhile, Apple's status as the world's most valuable company continues to reflect Jobs' enduring legacy. Kapoor's experiences with Jobs have profoundly influenced his leadership and product development strategies in the tech industry. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the world of Apple and technology as fascinating as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and stories. Stay innovative.